In this quick video, we'll show you how to use Scanifly's integration with EcoFasten's Design Assistant. This connection eliminates duplicate work and saves hours on every project by automatically transferring your design data with just one click. Open your project in Scanifly and locate the API Integrations button in the left sidebar. Select EcoFasten, then click the blue Layout button to launch their Design Assistant from within your Scanifly project. From there, select your desired racking product and notice how your layout and arrays are already in place. You can easily tab through to confirm the layout, while all key project details and module specifications have also been imported from Scanifly. You can use the drop-downs to review and confirm the information, verifying spacing, slope, and roof type, as well as choosing the appropriate mounting solutions for your project. EcoFasten's Design Assistant makes it easy to pick the right products for your specific project needs. Once your selections are complete, generate your bill of materials with a single click. Your comprehensive BOM and engineering report is now ready for installation teams with zero manual rework required. This entire process takes minutes instead of hours and ensures that what you design will always fit perfectly on install day. And that's it. The Scanifly plus EcoFasten integration streamlines your workflows from drone-based site surveys to installation-ready designs. Thanks for watching.